Guys.
What do you want, Cassie?
Sue. I'm gonna add my friend I met in Squid Game plus guys.
Anything you want. Cassie.
Asterisk Cassie _VV add cutesgirl _forever asterisk.
Hello, boys.
Wait a minute!
And pick me girl. Who anyway? Let's just introduce ourselves. I'm Aletta, 23 years old, Cassie.BFF. Suck name. You know what sucker more? It's your fat face.
Anyway, my name is Cassie, 27 years old, Aletta BFF.
I'm Raven, 29.
Daddy, you're so hot.
I'm not her father.
Anyway, my name is Roy, 25.
I'm the cutest girl, Tidy 20.